Hey guys, Erik Collier, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down to the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show right here in sunny, beautiful South Florida. I'm having a blast and I'm looking for some fun and exciting new products to report you guys on. I'm here with my man David. David, how are you?
I'm good, and you? Nice to meet you.
I'm doing well. Marine drones.
Yes.
This is remarkable. Tell me about this product.
So this product comes from Italy. We bring it from Italy. It's a robot that sticks to the boat with a propeller and it sucks into the hull, and you can move it with a remote controller, and it's powered by 110 volts. So it's easy to use. You plug it, you put it in the water, and it sticks to the boat.
Brother, you're talking about a vacuum cleaner under the water for my boat hull.
Yes.
This is totally unique.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this. And you can actually control it with that remote device from on top of your boat.
Yes.
To tell it where to go.
Yeah, and you can see everything, and you have everything on your phone.
Nice.
Yes.
So this would be good not only for power boats, but you can also use this on sailboats.
Yes, especially on sailboats.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what it will actually look like.
Yeah, you see everything, and you have everything on your phone.
Okay. So I've got a question because
yes,
up north in the Great Lakes, we have these little things called zebra mussels.
Okay, yeah.
In the ocean, you might know them as barnacles.
Yes.
Okay. Is this powerful enough to get those things off of my boat?
Yes, we have a different type of brushes. We have a soft one, medium one, and a hard one. And we have one made just for barnacles that you plug in the bottom and it removes barnacles.
Okay.
Yeah, algae and barnacles.
Well, one other quick question that kind of comes to mind, David, is if I'm using this product on the bottom of your boat, am I taking away all my bottom paint with it?
No, because it's not hard enough. It depends on the boat that you're using and the paint that you're using. You can change the brushes, and it doesn't remove any paints.
That's brilliant, man. I love it.
Thank you.
So I can vacuum the bottom of my boat and make sure all the algae, the whatever that's stuck at the bottom is off. Improve my boat performance, which is going to save me fuel costs,
definitely
give me more speed as well, and have the comfort of knowing that the bottom of my boat
is clean. Yeah,
I love it. So a lot of people in Florida have to pay for divers to go down and do this multiple times a year.
You don't need it if you have this one. And if you have that product, there is Ultra Crab. You don't even need you probably need if you don't buy this one and you have a diver, you call the diver like every 3-4 months instead of once a month.
So I'm curious, if I got this, I don't need a diver, how much does this cost? What's the price point?
This is the price point is $7,100.
Okay, so over the lifespan of my boat, I'm going to spend that probably in a couple of years for a diver to take care of the bottom anyway. So I'm going to be making a lot of savings if I have my boat for anything more than 3 years by having this product. Plus, if you sell this product with the boat, boom!
Yeah.
Your boat value goes up as well.
Goes up, yes.
Which I like, because people know you're taking care of it.
Yeah.
And it's really cool. All right, so if I can't make it down to the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, David, where am I going to go online to find out more information about the product and how to get one for me?
Okay, it's marinedrones.com. Marinedrones.com.
That's
online.
It.
Yes.
Marinedrones.com.
Yes.
You're kidding me.
No.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
So just go to marinedrones.com and you can get this product.
Yes.
You can find out more information about this product.
Everything.
You can contact my man David here.
Everything.
About this product. marinedrones.com.
Even on Instagram.
I love it. Thank you very much, my friend.
I appreciate that.
marinedrones.com, guys. You heard it first. Great Lakes Scuttlebutt. Check it out. You're going to love it. See you out on the water.